Your ancestors walked mountains.
That's how steep it is.
Now we struggle to walk upstairs.
Break.
Think about that. Your body was built to move. Every hike wakes up muscles modern life put to sleep. Science says walking in nature improves memory, burns stress hormones, and boosts dopamine naturally. No subscription, no filter, just fresh air and movement. So tell me,
That's how steep
is your body tired
Once you get up there,
or just underused?
it comes beauty you see from there and look down onto Dovestone Reservoir there. It's worth the pain.
I woke up to a golden light, morning breeze and sky so bright. Birds are singing soft and free. Subhanallah, what beauty I see. Mountains standing proud and high, clouds are floating through the sky.
That's a tourist like a town to see. You're the ones that are up there. Mashallah, having a beautiful break, looking down onto Dovestone from that stone. Look at that. You ran it there, sat there. I was enjoying the view.
Nature calls his holy name. Nothing in this world's the same. Oh, my heart, just stop and see the gifts we're given.
The way you get up here, it's this way. And you get the best view. Yo, my hey. Stone.
Dancing on the lake, stars above begin to wake. How can hearts become so blind to the wonders?
It's a bit far away, not far, not too far.
Quiet forest standing tall. Even silence seems to say, remember Allah night and day. Every flower starts to bloom after hardship passes through, like a lesson for the soul. After darkness comes the dawn. We were given.
Don't forget small steps, yeah?
Not to ruin, break, corrupt, but to guard the skies and seas and protect the living trees. Smoke is rising, rivers cry, animals are losing life. Still Allah gives us chance again to return and make amends. So when you stand beneath the sun or watch the rivers gently run, ask yourself deep in your heart, how can this be made by chance? Look around.
And the truth is, you're only about 20 meters away.
Every mountain, every breeze, every sunset endlessly is a sign from Allah beautifully. When I'm running through the hills, cycling roads so calm, still every moment, every thrill reminds me Allah's presence is real. Oh,